Fireworks explode in a car in Savannah, lighting it ablaze. Police say the driver told them a group of teens threw a firecracker in the car and then ran off. The driver tried to throw it out the window, but was unsuccessful. WJCL's Jackson Kurtz spoke with a neighbor who saw the car on fire right outside his home and joins us now from Savannah Police Headquarters. Jackson, what is the man's condition?
Yeah, Dale, thankfully the driver quickly escaped the car, only to have minor injuries. And if they weren't quick to act and if they would have stayed in the car a little longer, it could have been a lot worse.
It was good 20-foot flames.
Fireworks on July 4th is a tradition.
It's an SUV-type vehicle, fully engulfed.
But the tradition turned dangerous early Friday morning when police say a group of juveniles threw a firecracker into a car, causing it to burst into flames. The driver tried to throw it back out the window, but was too late. Police say the teens then ran off.
Had some kids come by, coming through the yard. They beat on the house, and about 15 seconds later, a car was fully engulfed right here in this intersection.
I spoke with a neighbor who lives right by where this happened on Pennsylvania Avenue and Utah Street and says he saw the car burning.
And me and the neighbor across the street and this neighbor, we all came out. There wasn't anybody within 300 yards. They jumped out and ran, so it leads me to believe possibly the car was stolen.
You can still see the ash on the road showing the power of the fire. Williams says neighbors in the area see crime every now and then, but it's always brought into the neighborhood.
We don't bother folks. We keep our grass cut, barbecue, but it's gotten worse.
He says it's instances like this one that really bother him, especially during the summertime.
It bothers me. We'll get a blanket coverage from the police, and they do a wonderful job. And then when it slacks off, right now we're going through where they're just creeping.
Savannah police say the case is still under investigation. Right now, Savannah police don't have any suspect information as they continue to investigate. Live in Savannah tonight, Jackson Kurtz, WJCL 22 News.